this video, we explore masks. Masking protects specific areas of a 3D object from deformation. This is why the mask typically appears as a darker area on the surface of the 3D object. The mask palette is conveniently located in the tool menu as a sub-palette. To apply a mask, simply hold down the Control key and paint over the surface of your object. Or alternatively, drag your selection with the left mouse button. Now we see that all masked areas remain fully unaffected by deformation. In the mask palette, you can invert your mask selection. Alternatively, achieve the same effect by holding the Control key and clicking the viewport. We can also effectively blur the mask by clicking on Blur, or by holding the Control key and clicking directly on the selection with the left mouse button to adjust it. To sharpen the mask, use the sharpening tool. Additionally, we can control it via a keyboard shortcut. We hold down the Control and Alt keys, and then click with the left mouse button on the mask. To clear the mask selection, click on Clear, or hold down the Control key and drag a small rectangle in an empty area with the left mouse button. As we already learned in the brush tutorial, we can actually adjust the method of applying a brush. With the masks, we have the same exact options available. We hold down the Control key and then take a look on the left side. Here we can see that we are currently in mask mode. We have essentially the same application methods as with a conventional brush. We can project the mask onto the surface from the center using the Drag Rectangle tool feature. We can complement this with an alpha image, or alternatively use any arbitrary alpha as a mask. Another possible option is to spray the desired selection onto the surface. Or, similar to what we do in image editing programs, we can select the area to be edited using a lasso tool for precision. We can also apply masks using the curve function. To do this, select the Curve tool and draw the curve by dragging with the left mouse button. As we can see, the curve has two sides distinctly marked with different colors. Everything on the gray side will be masked. To use the Curve tool, redraw the mask and hold down the Alt key at the specific point where you want the curve to bend or change direction. We can make the masks either in the shape of a simple circle, or, as set by default, draw it in the form of a rectangle. In the next video, we'll explore selection masks.